Okay, today we're going to be working with what is called inequalities in one triangle. Inequalities in one triangle. And our first rule will state that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of either of its remote interior angles. Measure of an interior angle of a triangle is greater than the measure of either of its remote interior angles. So let's look at a diagram of this. All right, we're going to call this angle 1 right here. And then we've got these other points, A, B, and C, form this triangle. Angle 1 right here. This is called an exterior angle. Talked about those earlier in the year. Said it's formed by the extension of a side and its adjacent side. All right, so then in here, we're going to call angle C, we're going to call it angle 2, and we're going to call angle B. Let's not do that. Don't do that. Never mind. Don't do that. All right. Now, you got this exterior angle 1 right here, okay? Now, angle C up here and angle B, they are called remote interior angles as they relate to angle 1. All right, right here, angle C, angle B, they're called remote interior angles in relation to angle 1. And I can remember that because I think of remote like the remote control for the TV. You can control the TV from far away. So these are the far away angles from angle 1. They're the two angles the furthest away, and they're on the inside of the triangle. All right, so we're going to say the measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C. The measure of angle 1 is equal to the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C. This is going to be posted on YouTube, Ben, as a video, so you don't need to take a picture of every screen. All right, the wording for this rule says that the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its remote interior angles. The exterior angle is greater than each of its remote interior angles because it's equal to the sum of those two interior angles. All right, so if you're given a problem and we've got triangle MNO, we've got this angle right here that's X degrees. If angle O is equal to 60 and angle N is equal to 70, all right, then X is going to be equal to 60 plus 70. So X is going to be equal to 130. Good. The other way you'll see that is, let's say you've got this picture. And now you're given this exterior angle. And you're given angle B. And you're asked to find the measure of angle C. All right? The measure of angle C. Well, the measure of angle C plus 40 degrees is equal to the 100, right? Or the 100 is equal to angle C plus 40. So you can write an equation here, or some of you don't need an equation to solve for angle C. What's the measure of angle C going to be equal to? Good, 100 minus 40. All right, if the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two remote interiors, then the measure of angle C is going to be equal to this exterior angle minus one of the other interior angles. So the measure of angle C equals 60 degrees. All right, two other rules, and then I'm going to show you how how we're going to use those to solve some problems today. Next, we got the rule angle side relationships. All right, we're going to say that the smallest angle in a triangle is opposite shortest side. The smallest angle in a triangle is opposite the shortest side, and the largest angle is opposite the longest side. Smallest angle in a triangle is opposite the shortest side. Largest angle, opposite longest side. So if you are asked to order the angles, order the angles of a triangle from smallest to largest. You got to order the angles. So you're going to be given a triangle. And if you've got triangle ABC and you're asked to order the angles, but you're only given the side lengths, let's say you're given a 10, a 13, and a 17. Order the angles from smallest to largest. Well, you're going to have a small angle, you're going to have a medium angle, and you're going to have a large angle. The smallest angle is opposite the shortest side. So if 10 is the shortest side, if A to B is 10 units long, then side or angle C is going to be the smallest angle. So your smallest angle is angle C. The largest angle is opposite the longest side. So if 17 is your longest side, and it represents side BC, then angle A right here would be your largest angle. So the largest angle, angle A. And of course, your medium angle, or your angle in the middle, is going to be opposite the side that has a length in between the shortest and the longest. So this is going to be angle B. All right, so order the angles of a triangle from smallest to largest. It would be CBA. Simple enough there. Last rule. The shortest side of a triangle is opposite the smallest angle. Shortest side of a triangle is opposite the smallest angle, and the longest side is opposite the largest angle. converse of the statement we just wrote. So if you're asked to order the sides of the triangle pay attention to what or how they ask you to order them. All right, order the sides of a triangle from, this time we're going to go largest to smallest. And let's say you're given a triangle again. Triangle MNO. And now let's say you're given the angles. Let's say you're given a 60-degree angle and a 70-degree angle. You got to order the sides from largest to smallest. So you need the largest angle and the smallest angle and the other one in between, or sides. Longest, I should have said here, longest to shortest. But you get the idea. First thing we need is the third angle in this triangle. We need angle O. All right. And angle O, or the measure of angle O, is equal to 180 minus the 70 minus the 60. All right, three angles in the triangle got to sum 180. So what we got left there? 50 degrees, good. So angle O up here is 50 degrees. Now we need the longest. We need the longest side, the medium length side, and the shortest side. So the longest side is going to be opposite the largest angle. So 70 is your largest angle. Here's the 70. The side opposite the 70. Another easy way to remember this is that if angle N is your largest angle, the biggest angle, well, then the side that has the other two letters is going to be the longest side. So this is going to be MO. Then your shortest side, here's your smallest angle, this 50-degree angle. This angle O is 50 degrees. So the side that doesn't contain the letter O is the shortest side. So that's going to be MN. All right, and the only side you haven't used yet is NO. So when you're ordering them from largest to smallest, it would be MO, then NO, and then MN. So there's your order. All right, so any questions on any of that stuff? Ordering the sides of a triangle, ordering the angles of a triangle. All right, your practice for today then is going to be on page 348. One through 6, and then 8 through 19.